All employment measures use the same unit of measurement. This is the full-time equivalent. The FTE is a standard term used to describe a unit which comprises one individual working full-time for 1 year. This allows for comparison of full-time and part-time employees, as well as varying contract durations. All jobs reported under the TOMS must be described as FTEs to ensure comparability. What the FTE measure does is equalise the time differences due to the duration of employment or the length of different working weeks. The good news is that the Social Value Portal has developed a unit toolkit within the online Social Value Calculator, which easily converts your employment data into the correct number of FTEs. Whether or not you are using the online calculator, it is important to understand why an FTE is different from simply counting a job or a person employed. These examples show how FTEs should be calculated. A company hires one local person to work full-time exclusively on a 3-month contract. This equates to one FTE adjusted for a quarter of a year and is therefore 0.25 FTE. A company hires one local person full-time for 12 months, but the individual only gives half their time to the contract in question. This equates to 0.5 FTE attributed to the contract itself. A company hires one local person working a 3-day week exclusively on a 2-year contract. This equates to 1.2 FTEs over the 2 years, although you may wish to report 0.6 FTE per year. Both local economic value employment measures and social value employment measures use the FTE unit. However, there are a few differences which should be noted. This table shows the differences in using the FTE unit for local economic value employment versus the social value employment measures. Local economic value employment measures can be counted for every year of employment. This is because the proxy value captures the value to the individual for every year of employment. Say, if you hire a local person on a full-time basis for 2 years, you may enter 2. Local economic value employment measures include all local people working on the project, not just new people. Social value employment measures, on the other hand, can only be counted for the first year of employment. There'll be more information on this in the double counting section. Say you hire an ex-offender on a full-time basis for 2 years, you may enter 1. Social value employment measures only include new employees who were previously unemployed. Again, we will talk about this more in the following sections.